Hello, everybody. Hello. It's me, a girl, your sister, your friend, Lady J. And if you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I post more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. I don't come back again with another story again. Wetin friend fit do person reach, you understand? So there is one of our lady, she say she don dey Europe for a long time, so she come dey date she dey always dey date guy, but she no dey favour am, so she no dey get luck for relationship for Europe. So she don try, e no dey work hard for am. E say so na e come she come say make she dey like that because if you do relationship e no dey work out. So sometimes some people go feel say maybe e no dey favour am, but you no know say you never jam the right person, you understand? Sometimes you go dey feel say maybe relationship wey you dey do e no dey work out, e dey people, the boys dey always dey break your heart because your head never reach where e dey go. Na make all those things dey always dey happen, you understand? But some people impatient. Instead, when you go dey pray to God for God to give you your life partner, for God to give you your own, but you go dey feel say maybe your you know they get luck. So maybe na the way you take dey follow them too, you understand? So she could just dey like that. So one day they come contact one of her friends for Nigeria. They play for a long time for Nigeria before she come Europe. So two of them. So that one tell that one Nigeria. You come say that one come say Nigeria dey o. They come dey discuss normal talk. Excuse me. So normal talk. He say so now she come tell that her friend say now her friend come tell her say you don't marry. She come say no, she never marry o. Now that one come say you never still marry up till now. I say no, say they get luck for men for Europe, they misbehave, they do this, So now she can say okay. Now that her friend come tell her say you like to date for Nigeria. Now she can say Nigeria guys. Say she not the Nigeria now. She will take friend boy for Nigeria. Because say Nigeria guy is good though. Me no worry. Make she come. She go hook him up with Nigeria guy. So now she can say you sure? He say yes. Now he can't really hook her up with one guy. He say with the guy go they talk, they go they play love for phone, they go they do everything. If the guy ask her something, so she go say she no get to, she not go want give the guy. So that her friend go come and she will come discuss with that her friend say this guy where you give me, they ask me money say he want do business, So the woman go say that her friend go say give him, na nice guy. He sabi do business before he introduce him for you. He know say na nice person, So he say the way her friend go take talk to her, she go say okay, she go still really send money give the guy. So the guy was living big for Nigeria now. So she dey do everything for the guy. If the guy ask her something, go do on top. They go they play love for phone. They do everything. So now one day she come say, make she come Nigeria. Make she come see the boy. So she come go Nigeria. She come go see the boy. The boy come take him out everything. So they sleep with each other. Everything. They play love. Everything. So one day now, then she come go supermarket. As she go supermarket with the guy, she come dey outside dey wait for the guy. She come dey near car dey wait for the guy. So now she come see another of their friend wey they don see be friend before for Nigeria too. So you come see that one. Now she come tell that one say how far? How you dey now? I come say I ain't dey fine o. Say another one come say are you come? He say yes. So they come dey greet each other, So now the one come say you can't see say she dey near car. You can say this one not be our friend now. He husband car. Now he say he husband. No, now he say now this one a fiancé car. Now the friend come say me no come know this girl Kai, Yosma Kai again. Because the way your fiancé say this has a supermarket in the way for her for our side. Now I say okay, make it come me see am. As he come out, now I see say a friend. That's our friend we introduce now to the guy. So he husband now introduce to a friend. He husband now introduce to a friend. And she say what? Now I tell her say this one now that our friend husband. Now I say you sure? I say now husband. You don't know I'm a gay. You know that our friend I can't call her name. He said that yours man, I be this one. And the girl say what? Now she introduced the man to me. Oh. Now your friend tell her say, introduce the yours man to you. Now from there, now she say, you can call the girl say, so now your husband I introduce for me. Why you do me this kind of thing as we play rich? You don't see anything talk, but you just only use the girl that they enrich themselves. Now that Africa say no wonder way everything can change for them overnight. They can't use this girl as their bank. Me see what friend if you do person rich. Friend. Me you know be like say person not get friend. That person they make friend. Because if you look what friends if you do person, you just like I just dey man not get friend. That is what friend fit do person rich. You carry your own husband go introduce to your friend. That is what they fit do person rich. Like be that one. So that kind of friend now, how she go to forgive him? How she go to forgive that girl? How she fit remove that thing from her mind? She trusts the girl. She trusts him. You don't even believe say she go fit do him that kind of thing. You understand? So now don't be waiting friend fit do person, you know? So like make friend. Even me we sit down here, so friend don't do me, we be say I suppose to just day like that. Say I don't even want me friend again self. Friend, he don't do me. I go bring my own story one day, more and see him too. With friends, if you do person. You know, sometimes friend not the favor some people, but you not go know why. You know, there is no way you go dey nice to friends rich. They must show you. They must show you their color. They must see. It go only take time when you go to hide who she really be. But one day you must still know who she be one day. So now what if friend fit do person rich? And she say she be not the evil love the guy. Not know he say now a friend husband, a best friend husband. So then don't be waiting friend if you do person. You know? And the another advice I give for our ladies where they always say they want to go Nigeria, may they go marry because say maybe guys not there yet. It's better you marry here because Niger, I beg, the relationship that they do there, me, I know they really bad one like that, shall because I will day here, my man go there Africa. For me, not make sense to me, sha. I don't really like them. It's either you come here or you know. For me, I not really like, not be my thing, I not like them. So I don't know about another person, no. So, not be say she do wrong to where she did go Nigeria before, but I go marry the guy. Now because say, na a friend, husband, you understand? So, say, how she go fit take comot that thing for her mind? How she go fit take trust friend? Because of that one, she not fit even make friend again. You understand? She not fit make friend again. So I don't be waiting friends fit do person rich friend. So me one have to be careful for the kind of friend we they make. We just have to be careful. Someday you have to follow them, be friend. They not like you. They just hate you with passion. And if you ask them, say why you hate me, you go say she not even know. If maybe you ask them now, say what make you hate me? She don't say anything talk. She don't say anything talk. Say see what you do am or see what you not do am. That is friends. So that is friend when no one see you say you dey happy. It happened to me. Friend when no one see you say you dey happy. If you dey shine, now outside dey shine, so it go just dey pain her for body. If you see me with another person, you dey play, na problem. If you see me, you don't want to play with me, no one that person play with me. If you see me with somebody, say we dey play now, you go tell that person for back. What you dey play follow her they talk? Why you dey play with her? All because she no want see you say you dey happy. That is wetin friends fit do person reach. So one have to be careful. If you dey make friend, my dear, that is may not be like say you don't get friend. That person will say make I get one when I even see they discuss with sometimes. Because if you look what if friends they do person, the one where they pretend follow you, that many pass. The one will not like you. You don't want to see you say you they happy. If you they do anything, you know they happy with you. Know that person is not your friend. That person is not your friend. A friend will not feel they happy for your progress, will not feel they happy with you. Say, see what you they do. You know, that person she is a pretender. That person a pretender. You understand? So if we dey make friend, maybe we just they put her for God hand. May God just give you friend like your sister, friend like your heart, where you feel talk to. You know, friendship, it be like a relationship. That's one way people don't understand. If you get friend, sometimes get time for your friend. Not because maybe you get man. Maybe that your friend not get man before you know you. You can't get man. You can't begin they boof you. You know, a friendship. Get time. Tell your man, say, I want to get time with my friend today. Don't let any man stop you to not get time for your friend. No. That man come meet 12 when so now they play. Tomorrow, you go just say, no, you want to cut you off without your friend. That man, for me, not be love be that one. Get time for your friend. A friendship is like a relationship, you know. So that one am my own. Waiting me, I think hey, or if una say na lie I dey talk, wanna still leave una comment for there. So my own be say a friendship is like a relationship. If you get one friend where you just trust, they play with, no matter what she go do, just they tolerate and they go. Just get that one friend, they follow and they go. But if you can't get friend, where be say you yourself don't understand, say now pretend, either they follow you, cut them off, my dear. Carry your husband and your children, be playing with them at home. Make yourself always happy. And forget about friends. Friends not get anything they want to do for you. Bad ones, not many pass. The one where they pretend, the one where they envy you, not many pass. So that is my own advice for friends. You know, this one I wait if friend if you do person rich, go carry your husband, give to a friend, make him marry. All because of money where they see for their hand. Nothing when Nigeria people not they do yahoo. Nothing. What they not they do yahoo. So this one are yahoo. Then they do this my lady. You know? So thank you everybody. And continue to subscribe for my YouTube and continue to like my videos. So thank you and share this video for me. Share. And I remain Lady J, and our hookup is still there. So if you need the responsible man, or you need the responsible woman, contact Lady J. I'm here for you people. Thank you. Bye.